Hi, my name is Douglas Melvin of MelWeb Marketing. I would like to introduce you to my new ebook, Google Ads for Beginners. Google is the most widely used search engine in the world, but it has evolved far beyond its humble beginnings. It is now recognized as having the most potent and extensive advertising network globally. With Google Ads, businesses can place their offers in front of potential buyers as sponsored search results. This means that when someone searches for a specific solution, they will see the relevant ad, increasing the likelihood of converting them into customers. In addition to Google Ads, the Google Display Network offers a variety of image ads that are prominently displayed on the sides, tops, and bottoms of websites. These ads may be retargeted to customers who have previously viewed the product, increasing the likelihood of conversion. It is probable that many of the ads one encounters online are part of the Google Display Network. To find out more, check out my ebook today. To your success. Douglas Melvin, CEO, MelWeb Marketing.